Hi guys, so we're going to DFO Perth today, which is direct factory outlet, which has a lot of sports shops with great sale. So let's have a look. Stay tuned.
It's a nice picnic spot.
Hi guys, இன்னைக்கு சண்டே மார்னிங்கு நாங்கள் வந்து DFO போகலான்னு பிளான் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். நல்லா வெதரும் நல்லா மழையாக இருக்குது. ஸோ நம்ம போய் பார்க்கலாம் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு. நம்ம DFO வந்து அரைவே ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்போ நம்ம உள்ளே போயிட்டு எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். நிறைய வெரைட்டி சாக்லேட்ஸ் இருக்குது, ஏகப்பட்ட வெரைட்டி சாக்லேட்ஸ் இருக்குது. அதில் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி பாக்ஸ் செலக்ட் பண்ணி நம்ம பாக்ஸை ஃபில் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
Shopping. Let's go home and have a look at what we purchased. we finished our shopping. We had a great time. We bought some things from Gym Kit for sports. We bought some stuff for Saidev. So we'll show you all of them after we get home.
இப்போ நம்ம வந்து டிஎஃப்ஓவில் ஷாப்பிங் முடிச்சுட்டு இப்போ வந்து நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு போயிட்டுருக்கோம். வீட்டுக்கு போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இங்கே பாருங்கள், அந்த ரோடு எவ்வளோ சூப்பராக இருக்குது. இங்கே ரோட்ஸு எல்லாமே சூப்பராக மெயின்டைன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. இங்கே ஹில்ஸ் இருக்குது. வியூ சூப்பராக இருக்குங்க இங்கேருந்து பார்க்க.
So we're back from shopping and let us show you what things we bought. So the first place we went to was Kids Cotton On to get some things for Saidev because it was on sale. So we got him one pair of jeans
pants, which was on a really good deal, which is like normal price of this pant is like for $39.99. It's almost $40, but we got it for $10, which is a really good deal. So we liked it and we bought one.
Yes. We got him 2 shirts.
Two
Really cute ones.
really beach wears, like 2 really beach wears, and these were also on sale. Like these original price were $24.99, almost $25, and we bought it for $12.5.
And then we got him some pairs of socks, which was also on sale. And then we got him a water bottle because he needs to start drinking more water.
Yeah.
Oh, and what's this?
And this is a spinny top, like it's a lightening up spinning top. So we just bought it for like Saidev for playing. So
Yeah.
just to engage himself. Yeah.
And then we also signed up. So they said that if once we spend $100 with them, we get a voucher of $10 to spend. So it's a good bargain.
Yeah, it's a good bargain. Yeah.
The next shop we went to was chocolates, Lindt. We ate half of this. And there were so many varieties of different chocolates. We didn't get all the usual ones. We got like different flavored ones, like let's have a look. Pistachio. Oh, sorry, that's pistachio. I'm not sure what that one is. Mango. Almond. There was one chocolate one. Which one was that? Cappuccino. So we've never tried any of these. So
It was a very unique flavor, so we just bought some of it.
yeah.
And these were also on deal, like for 100.
And 100 grams, it was $9.99.
Yeah, it's almost $10.
Yeah. Because and all this was about $20, and because we spent $20, they gave us this for free. And
So after we went to the Lindt chocolate shop, we just went to the Gym Kit sports shop. Like I wanted some t-shirts, sports t-shirts for me. So we just went to Gym Kit and bought some t-shirts, which was on really good deal.
that one.
Which is a branded Adidas t-shirt.
But that was on sale.
Yeah, that was on sale. Original price was $30 and we bought it for $20 on the Adidas t-shirt.
And I got this one for myself because I needed something that was cotton. All mine is synthetic, all the shirts, sports shirts that I've got. So that's for myself. And then,
So on the weekends, we usually go to a squash center and play squash.
yeah.
So we were hiring bats before now. so much interested in squats, like we wanted to buy our own rackets.
Yeah, so we started playing squash and we're in love with it. So we thought we need a good racket. I did get one racket before, but it was very heavy. So I needed a better racket. So we got proper lightweight rackets.
Proper lightweight, like Dunlop racket, which is a really good one.
So these rackets, we got it at a sale. They're usually about $140, but we got it for about $89.
$89.99, it's almost $90. And like it comes with 3 free balls, squash balls. So which is a really good deal for that price.
It is, yes. So that is it. That was all of our purchases. And then after that, we had lunch at a takeaway shop called Mumbai Rocks, which was really delicious. We had biryani rice with 3 curries.
Yeah, which was like, they had a combo, like rice with 3 curries for like $13, which was really good.
And then we had bubble tea at Utopia. And it was a rainy day, otherwise we would have taken Saidev outside because they did have a play area for him. But it was raining, so we couldn't do that. But even then, we all had a great time. It's one place you must visit if you're in Perth. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our show. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.
Please do subscribe. Thank you.
Until next time, bye-bye.
Bye.